Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Tekton Ratchet portion of their website. If you guys haven't checked out the Tekton website, go ahead and check it out. It's by far my favorite place to buy Tekton tools. They got a good student program. They got a good 10% back in rewards program. Basically, if you spend $100, you're going to get $10 on your account with Tekton, and you can use that for your next purchase through them, which is really great. They got a great warranty, no hassle, lifetime warranty. Probably one of the easiest processes that you'll ever deal uh, with warranty if you ever have to, and just all around a really good company. A lot of good people working there. I've really enjoyed talking with them, using their tools. All around, I've been satisfied with them. So today, we're going to be going into the ratchets. I've already done a video on the hand drive chrome, sockets, as well as their impact sockets portion, and now moving into the ratchets. So you can simply click here and go into the drop down and select what you're looking for, or you can just click on ratchets, and it'll kind of bring you over to everything that was in that menu over here. And then first thing you're going to see is another refining section where you can refine it down to 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4, exactly what you're looking for to make your search a little bit easier. The website is very user friendly, and you're going to be very satisfied with the prices as far as the quality of tool that you're getting from Tecton. They've really stepped up their game, and they've also redesigned their ratchets. They used to be the more, generic kind of bulkier, your standard, find at any store kind of ratchet, but they went in completely redesigned, re-engineered these ratchets, slimmed them down a lot, increased the strength, and I mean, this is an up-to-date, what I would expect from Tecton ratchet. So they do have quick release and non-quick release available depending on what you prefer. As you can see, the prices are very affordable. They have a nice 3/8 drive set. It's a 5-piece set. Really nice. You got your spark plug ratchet, a longer 3/8 ratchet, your flex head, your standard, and your stubby. And then you got all the way up from 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch drive. And all their new ratchets are going to be 90 tooth, whereas I believe the 3/4 is 72 tooth, which is still high for a 3/4 inch drive ratchet. And then they have their roto head, swivel head ratchets as well. Here are the non-quick release. These are the ones I purchased. I really like these ratchets. I didn't even bother purchasing their old style ratchets just because they were so much like ratchets that you see anywhere else, but these are really nice. So let me see if I can find, here's the long 3/8 drive. This is the one I got. They also have 1/2 inch drive at 24 inches long, so really long ratchet there. We'll go ahead and click on here. $35 for this 18-inch long ratchet. It's very nice, very slim, strong, but long handle provides obviously extra leverage. It's the new 90 tooth, which creates a 4-degree arc swing, ultra compact. And the great thing about this website, like I've stated in the previous videos, they show a lot of information on every product they sell, which is really nice. Here you can kind of see the 90 tooth gear in action and their switching mechanism and pawl. Ultra compact head, and I've done a video comparing these to some of the gear wrench ratchets and other companies as well, and they've really done a really good job of slimming these down, and they're still very strong ratchets. So classic non quick release look, 3 handle lengths, and when they measure their ratchets, they go from the drive, the center of the drive portion, to the end of the handle instead of all the way up here, because then this is going to be the length of actual leverage. This up here is not actually providing any leverage, so when you actually receive the ratchet, it may actually be a little bit longer than what they state. The handle is very comfortable. I love the kind of beveled bottom, this kind of machined out portion for your finger. It's a very comfortable handle. Here's kind of their tests that they've done to make sure that the ratchets are reliable and meet the standards, and by far beat the standards. Here's kind of a close-up breakdown of the ratchet, which I actually just did a video disassembling just the main gear and pawl in order to compare it to the gear wrench 90 tooth that they've just released. And here's kind of a breakdown of lengths and widths and everything, so you can really know the size of the ratchet that you're getting. And then here's that information about 10% back in rewards, that always guaranteed warranty, and free shipping. You don't need to spend $50 or $100 in order to get free shipping, which is really nice. So let's go back to ratchets. If there's anything on this website that you would like me to go more in depth on, please just let me know and I'd be happy to go over it more in depth for you. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at a flex head version so you guys can see that, and then we'll just finish going through what they have available on the website. "180 degrees, 9 different positions," which is really nice. A lot of them come with standard 7 positions. So once again, that same little clip just to show it in operation and all that. But here's the flex head portion, and it's still compact even with the flex portion. So they do sell individual parts and supplies. They're breaker bars. You can get it in 3/8 and 1/4 inch. It looks like the 3/4 is sold out, which is a 40 inch. And then they have 18 and 24 inch available in 1/2 inch. Here they kind of show the design that they went with in order to prevent stuff like this happening with the other design when applying a lot of torque. Parts breakdown and specs. Once again, always showing exactly where the product was made. They're not afraid to show that, which is really nice. They're not trying to hide anything whatsoever. So here's just kind of a quick look at all of their sets. All of their different ratchets available. All right, 1/4 inch through 3/4. All different lengths. Flex head, non-flex head, stubby, composite, the bent handle. So non-quick release, quick release. I mean, they have a lot of options. So if there's something specific that you're looking for, they have a lot of different options. So just keep that in mind, and very user-friendly prices, whether you're a DIYer or a professional. I can suggest this for both. They've held up very well. And here are their parts and supplies. But once again, if any of this stuff breaks, it is covered under warranty, as long as you know you weren't doing something you weren't supposed to be doing with it. Now, one thing I can say about their new 90 tooth ratchets is you do not want to use a heavy tacky grease. Maybe just a light machine oil or a 3-in-1 oil, something very thin to keep it lubricated but not tacky or anything like that. You don't want the pawl sticking to the gear and jamming up. Other than that, these ratchets are fantastic, and I cannot suggest them enough for the price. Please, if you guys have bought any of these ratchets, let me know your guys' thoughts. And if you're thinking about purchasing it, I do highly suggest it. I'm very happy with mine, so I couldn't suggest it more. But other than that, that's really it for the ratchet section, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything you would like me to dive down deeper into, please just let me know, and I'd be happy to do that for you. Or if you guys have any questions on anything, I'd be happy to find it out if I don't know the answer. And I'm always happy to respond to you guys, so please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not subscribing. See you guys next time.